What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Wrath2501 here. Okay, guys, I really wanted to do this because I thought this looked really cool. This is Birds with Arms being the funniest thing ever, too. Alright, this is by Quantastic. Alright, I normally don't do things with live things in it because YouTube just seems to get pissed off at me for some reason for doing it. Everybody dangerous behavior! I didn't promote shit, dude. I didn't do it. What the hell? That's why I have to put that disclaimer that I in no way support anything that happens in any of my videos. Anyway, so, because people don't know what the fuck a joke is. Anyway, let's see what we got here. And go. Oh, dude. It goes back the other way. Dude, he's like waiting for him. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it is a quite lovely day. Yes, indeed. Ah! Oh, shit. Squirrel. Holy crap, dude. Damn. What the? Why the hell does this fit so damn well? What the shit? Why does that fit so well? That is too damn perfect. Damn. Okay. Oh, what the shit? Oh my god. Yeah, be careful. Turkeys are mean little bastards. Poor doggy. He's not doing nothing. What the hell? He's gonna push him too far. Hello, my honey. Hello, my baby. Hello, my ragtime gal. What the hell? Oh. Dude, okay. Oh. What the hell? It's like they're looking. It's like... Okay, that was good. Yes, exactly. He does look like he's marching. And they're gonna do that. I knew it. What the dude? Oh shit. What the? Dude, this is amazing shit.
No way.
Oh shit! That's it. Let's carry the orchard. Dude! Working them abs, man. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay, how big you are. The little shit son of a Mjolnir. Your ass better run. That is really cool. That is amazing. Yeah, I see. This is normally what I normally see. This is what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be pictures, because I've seen them do those. But he did full-on animations, dude. Okay. So, that was awesome. Quantastic, boom, subscription from me. I definitely recommend you guys click on a link to the original, like the original, subscribe to Quantastic's channel. That was epic as hell. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to me before you go. Help this channel grow, just like my main one. And I will see you guys next time. Tune in every day for new content. Bye-bye.